Side plank progression here with an oblique challenge. So you're holding here, lower that weight parallel to the floor, exhale to open it back up. Being thoughtful that as you lower that weight that the hips don't start to sink, keep them pressed forward so that you stay lifted throughout.
Let's press with a single leg reach. So you're gonna bring both legs up into tabletop, press both arms straight up towards the ceiling, palms facing your feet. You're gonna inhale as you lower, exhale to reach one leg at the same time. Bring that leg in as the arms come down, exhale to reach the opposite leg. So as you alternate, be thoughtful that you're maintaining that rib cage to pelvis connection, that you're reaching that leg long through the heel. And if you need more support, reach up higher with the leg. And if you want more of a challenge, the lower you bring your leg, the harder it will be to maintain your core throughout. Push up. You're gonna start in a plank position with your feet hip distance apart, hands shoulder distance apart. I want you to sit back into your heels and then walk your hands a little bit more underneath your shoulders if needed. They should be stacked right underneath you. Think about that front of your pelvis to rib cage connection and holding that orange underneath your chin. You're gonna inhale as you slowly lower down. Exhale to push all the way up. Inhale to lower. Exhale to push up. Be thoughtful that as you move down into your push-up that you're not shifting forward. Stay back into your heels and really focus on that power of that lift, not just from your arms, but also from your core connection as you come up to that plank position. Burpee with a weighted overhead press. So I'm gonna start in my plank position, and I like to place my weights a little bit wider than my shoulder distance so that I can pick them up when I get to the top. So I start here, I'm gonna inhale first, exhale to hop, grab my weight, sit back into my pelvis so my back is long to drive up. Hammer curl to overhead press, being thoughtful that I don't lose that rib cage connection at the top, keeping my weight in my heels. Slowly lower it down, squat down, and then hop back into my plank. So again, I exhale, sit back into my heels, grab my weight, bicep curl, overhead press, lower it back down, keep it wide, take my hands, press back. You can absolutely step this forward. Grab your weight, stand tall, bicep curl, overhead press, lower it back down, and then step back into your plank for a less dynamic challenge. Single arm A's in a hip hinge. So I'm gonna turn to the side. I'm gonna hip hinge here, sticking my pelvis back behind me, maintaining that rib cage to pelvis connection. My palms are actually going to face forward. I'm gonna inhale here, exhale to reach back so that if you were looking at an aerial view of my body, I would be creating an A with my arms. Then I'm gonna inhale as I bend one arm in, exhale to kick it back. Bend the other arm, exhale to kick it back. So as I maintain my extended arm, it's having to work and control my body so it doesn't twist in the process while I alternate the arms. So again, it's an inhale as we bend, exhale to extend, inhale to bend, exhale to extend.